Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify store on mobile. First, download the Shopify application from your device's app store. Once installed, you can easily create a new account or log in if you already have one. The app guides you through choosing a business name and store type, making the initial setup process straightforward and quick. This foundational step takes only a few minutes to complete. Next, you can effortlessly add products directly from your mobile device. Use your phone's camera to snap photos or select images from your gallery. Remember to include comprehensive descriptions, set your pricing, and manage inventory levels right from the app. Personalize your store's appearance by customizing themes and arranging product collections, ensuring a visually appealing and user-friendly shopping experience for everyone. Managing your store on the go is simple. You can process new orders, update fulfillment statuses, and communicate directly with your customers, all within the mobile application. Access detailed customer profiles and review their purchase history to provide personalized service. The app also allows you to track vital sales performance and key business metrics, giving you a clear overview of your store's health at any moment. Finally, it is time to market your store and go live. Easily create and manage discount codes or special promotions to attract new customers. Share product links directly to social media platforms with just one tap, expanding your reach. Before launching, conduct a thorough review of all your store settings. Once everything is perfect, you can confidently go live and start selling your amazing products to customers everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.